discuss in detail about contact dermatitis. Contact dermatitis is red itchy rash on the skin caused by direct contact with a substance or due to allergic reaction to it. The rash isn't contagious or life-threatening, but it can be very uncomfortable. Contact dermatitis usually occurs on areas of the body that have been directly exposed to the allergic reaction causing substance. The rash usually develops within minutes to hours of exposure and can last from anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. Contact dermatitis is a very common skin disorder. It affects all the age groups, and females are slightly affected more by contact dermatitis. Hand dermatitis is the most common clinical manifestation, and it affects 2% to 6% of the population. The types of contact dermatitis include irritant contact dermatitis, allergic contact dermatitis, mixed contact dermatitis, photodermatitis, systemic contact dermatitis. The substance which causes contact dermatitis can have both irritant and sensitizing properties. In addition, the person can be exposed to multiple substances. On the other hand, irritant exposure harms the barrier function of the skin, which promotes sensitizing by enabling increased absorption of allergen. The risk factors for contact dermatitis include atopic dermatitis is a very common skin disorder that is based on genetic predisposition of decreased barrier function and impaired repair mechanism in the skin, featuring itchiness and dryness. Previous or present atopic dermatitis is a strong risk factor for developing occupational contact dermatitis. There is abundant range of occupations that are at risk of developing occupational contact dermatitis, including hairdressers, beauticians, healthcare, construction workers, horticulture, textile industry, catering and food industry, rubber manufacturing, metalworking, electroplating and tanning. Diagnosis of contact dermatitis. The chemical allergy has to be verified. Verifying the chemical allergy is usually done by skin patch testing when minute doses of diluted antigens are placed on the skin and absorbed periodically. If an occupational contact dermatitis is suspected, then tests are done accordingly. There are further diagnostic tests available, which includes photo patch test, use test, prick test, intracutaneous test. Intravitreal laboratory assays are less sensitive. The time to go see your doctor is you need to immediately see your doctor if the rash is uncomfortable and that you're losing sleep over it, or if it's affecting your daily activities. The rash is sudden, painful and widespread. The rash doesn't get better within 3 weeks. The rash affects your face or your genitals. You need to seek immediate medical attention in the following situations. If you think your skin is infected, the signs of your skin being infected include fever and pus oozing from the skin blisters. Your eyes, lungs and nasal passages are painful and inflamed, perhaps from inhaling an allergen. You think the rash has damaged the lining of your mouth or your digestive tract. These are conditions where you need to seek immediate medical attention. How to prevent contact dermatitis? General prevention steps include the following. Avoid irritants and allergens. Try to identify the substances and avoid such substances that can irritate your skin or cause an allergic reaction. Wash your skin. You might be able to remove most of the rash causing substance if you wash your skin right away after coming into contact with it. Use a mild fragrance free soap and warm water. Rinse your skin completely and also wash any clothing or items that may have come in contact with the allergen. Wear protective clothing or gloves. Face mask, gloves, goggles and other protective equipment can shield you from irritating substances, even household cleaners. Apply an iron-on patch to cover any metal fasteners next to your skin to avoid an allergic reaction. Apply a barrier cream or gel. These products can provide a protective layer for you on your skin. For example, those who have allergic reaction to poison ivy can use a over-the-counter skin cream which contains bentoquatum. This actually prevents or lessens your skin's allergic reaction to poison ivy. Use moisturizer. Regularly apply moisturizing lotions which can help restore your skin's outermost layer and keep your skin supple. Take care around pets. Allergens from plants such as poison ivy can cling to your pets and then it can spread to people and cause allergic reaction. Treatment. Use steroid creams or ointments.